Hi, I'm Rahul and I work for KFC in India. KFC is the fastest growing quick service restaurant chain in India. KFC is not just the most famous taste in the world, but it's also the taste you can trust. To deliver this taste you can trust, we only source from world-class suppliers. We routinely visit these suppliers to ensure that the most rigorous standards are followed so that only the highest quality ingredients are used in our food and beverages. So today I am in Pune visiting Venky's. Venky's is our largest supplier and also India's largest poultry group. They supply not just to KFC but also several 5-star hotel chains in the country. I am here to get a behind-the-scenes look at the quality and welfare of chicken sourced by KFC. Hello, Dr. Tizare.
Hi.
So nice to see you again. Dr. Tizare has been with Venky's for almost 30 years now. He is one of the most prominent and respected figures in the Indian poultry industry.
Welcome, Rahul. It's always pleasure to welcome you at Venky's farm.
Thank
Please
you.
come.
Venky's is part of the Venkateshwara Hatcheries group. They are the #1 poultry company in the country and they follow all international standards and procedures. Their facilities are ISO 22000 certified. We are very proud to be sourcing our chicken from Venky's. Now let's walk in and see the upkeep of their facilities.
Rahul, this is the standard poultry sheds. Our intention of these poultry sheds is to keep the birds very comfortable. What we say by comfortable is that we give them proper ventilation to the birds. We give them proper thermoneutral zone, that is a proper temperature to the birds for rearing. And we also ensure that all the birds have a continuous access for the feed and water. All the feed is given nutritionally balanced. We also provide them a bedding material which is a rice husk, and this bedding material is very good. They keep the birds very comfortable.
As you would expect, we are very particular about the quality of our chicken. These standards and specifications apply to any vendor from where we would source our chicken from. It's always a pleasure working with Venky's, who are proud and passionate about poultry welfare. I'm very pleased with what I have seen here today and comfortable with the quality and welfare standards followed by Venky's. If there are any customers though who would like to know more, I will request them to visit www.kfc.co.in and submit your feedback and queries. I also want to encourage our customers to visit their nearest KFC restaurant and take an in-depth kitchen tour to experience the hygiene and quality standards followed in the restaurants and assure themselves that KFC is indeed the taste you can trust.